Welcome to Tech Guide YouTube channel. If you're visiting first time, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get updated and you remain updated. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your KYC documents. You need to click on once you log in with your UN and password. This is the home page that will appear. And next thing you need to do is click on Manage. And the next option that you are seeing is KYC. So click on KYC. So after clicking on KYC, there are different kinds of documents that you can upload. So in this case, if you want to upload Aadhaar, so click on this, provide your Aadhaar number, provide your name, and once that is done, click on Save. So let me provide some random number. On clicking on Save, it's asking a valid number. Okay, so click on Save. Okay, so currently it's showing that there is a problem at Aadhaar server. So this is the way that you can upload your documents. In a similar fashion, if you want to upload your PAN card, you can do this. Provide your PAN card number and over here the name of the documents. If you want to upload your bank account details, just provide your bank account number and documents and IFSC code. So this is required while withdrawing the money from PF account. So make sure that this is a valid bank account, because in future whenever you will try to withdraw money, the funds will get credited into this account only. So these are the main three things that I would suggest you to upload. Rest can be ignored, like passport, driving license, election card, ration card, and NPR. So these are not mandatory, but these three are mandatory, and I would request you to upload it to get your KYC done. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching this video.